Hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of We Are Meatheads. I'm working on a Mini Cooper engine cylinder head. Ready to rebuild this cylinder head and put it back on the car. I bought it for cheap with a blown engine and discovered that the cylinder head valve seats had fallen out because of overheating, and the head is most likely warped. So this is the new one, and I'm in the process of rebuilding it. One of the things that I couldn't find on YouTube to help me get this job done was a video on installing the camshaft, I want to say this right, the camshaft seals. They go right on these grooves right here. Here are the old ones. And they're, as long as I'm in here, I might as well replace them. I don't know whether these are good or bad, but I decided to go ahead and replace them with new ones, which I just got in the FedEx truck. And I couldn't find any videos on installing these, and so I'm going to try to make one and see how it goes. This is highly experimental. I'm going to just clean this up a little bit. Clean these grooves out. There's a little bit of wear just inboard of this flange. I don't know if you can see it or not. A little bit shiny. I don't know if that's normal. Guess I can't know. That's the exhaust cam. Here's the intake cam, which does not have that wear on it. Don't know what to think about that. Probably in a perfect world, I'd put a new exhaust cam on it because of that wear. Oh well. Not today, I guess. See if I can get one of these open with gloves on. They're not really rubbery. I don't know what it's going to take to get one of those in the inside groove there, being that they are not all that flexible. Maybe a little bit of silicone lube would be appropriate to get them sliding in the right place. I'm going to go get some, see what I've got. I'll be right back. So I've got some Sil-Glide, silicone lubricating compound. I'm going to put just a little bit of this on these rings. Just to lube them a little bit. See how this goes. They don't feel like they're going to stretch at all. Well, there's one. I guess it's stretched enough. I'm going to try to put the next one over it. A little bit of sill glide on it. Maybe that's a mistake to try to put it over it. Maybe I should be moving the first one to the second position. Oh, questions. I'm a meathead and I don't know the answers. Let me try putting it over and see what happens. Okay, there it goes. It's over the first one. Now, if I can get it into the groove, the second groove, just kind of following it along with my nail. Come on. Let's go. Get in there. Get in your home. I guess they must have some stretch to them. It's not in. Do I dare use a tool? A weapon? Looks like it wants to go the rest of the way. These are called Rectangrings. There we go. Let's see whether that's going to seat down in there or not. There we go. I wish the groove was a little narrower on that exhaust cam. Oh well. Let me know what you think about my choice to just go with it.